Welcome back to Tap Tech, the place where we bring you clear and simple reviews of the latest gadgets, laptops, and tech that really matter. If you enjoy technology that balances power and value, make sure to stay tuned because today's review is all about a laptop built for the future of gaming and AI computing. Acer has refreshed its Predator lineup for 2025, and one model stands out for gamers and creators alike. It's the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI edition. The name already suggests something new. This is not just another gaming laptop with higher specs. Acer has built this model with dedicated AI enhancements, new cooling design, and updated hardware that's meant to carry heavy loads for years. Let's break it down piece by piece and see if this laptop deserves your attention. Starting with the design, Acer has kept the aggressive Predator style but refined it. The Helios Neo 16S AI is slimmer than you expect for a performance machine, but it still feels tough. The chassis is made of high-grade aluminum with reinforced edges, giving it durability without being overly heavy. The lid has subtle lighting with the Predator logo that glows but doesn't feel too flashy. For a 16-inch laptop, it balances portability and power quite well. Open it up and you'll notice the keyboard area has a smart layout. The keys have deep travel, RGB lighting zones, and a satisfying click when you press them. The touchpad is large and smooth, and Acer has added a fingerprint sensor built into the power button for quick login. Small details like that add convenience, especially for creators who move around with their machine. The display is one of the highlights of this laptop. The Helios Neo 16S AI comes with a 16-inch IPS panel with a 16:10 aspect ratio, which is excellent for both gaming and productivity. The resolution options go up to 2.5K, with refresh rates up to 240 Hz depending on the configuration. Brightness levels are strong at around 500 nits, and the color coverage is near 100% DCI-P3, making it ideal for photo and video editing. Motion is fluid, colors pop, and viewing angles are wide. Whether you are gaming, streaming, or working on creative projects, this screen doesn't disappoint. Under the hood, Acer has loaded the Helios Neo 16S AI with the latest Intel 15th Gen HX processors. Paired with NVIDIA GeForce RTX 50 series graphics, it delivers serious power. This combination means you can play the latest AAA games at high settings without compromise. But where this laptop gets even more interesting is the AI support. Acer has integrated dedicated AI acceleration, allowing you to run AI-powered tasks like image generation, video rendering, or advanced editing workflows much faster. Performance in real-world use is impressive. Multitasking is smooth even with heavy apps open. Gaming benchmarks show frame rates staying high and stable, thanks to the powerful GPU and improved cooling system. Acer's new cooling solution uses liquid metal thermal compound and redesigned fans. Heat is controlled well, and the fans, while audible, don't get annoyingly loud during long gaming sessions. Software also plays a role. Acer's Predator Sense app has been upgraded with AI monitoring, which automatically adjusts fan speeds, power distribution, and performance settings based on what you're doing. For example, if you're gaming, it prioritizes GPU power. If you're editing videos, it balances CPU and GPU for rendering efficiency. This level of smart tuning makes the laptop adapt without you constantly tweaking settings. Battery life is another important factor, especially for a machine with so much power. The Helios Neo 16S AI packs a large 90Wh battery. While gaming still drains it in a few hours, regular use like browsing, watching videos, or office work can last up to 7 to 8 hours, which is impressive for a gaming laptop. Charging is quick with the 280W power adapter, and it also supports USB-C charging for lighter use. For gamers, creative users, or students, audio is also part of the experience. Acer has added upgraded stereo speakers with DTS-X Ultra support. The sound is fuller than older models, with better clarity at higher volumes. While headphones are still the best option for competitive gaming, the built-in speakers do a solid job for casual use and entertainment. Connectivity is strong here. You get Wi-Fi 7 for faster wireless speeds, multiple USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, HDMI 2.1 for external displays, and even an SD card reader. That's useful for photographers and content creators who need quick file transfers. There's also an Ethernet port for low-latency gaming. Now, let's talk about value. Acer has positioned the Predator Helios Neo 16S AI as a more affordable entry point into high-performance gaming compared to the flagship Predator Helios 18. It doesn't compromise on core performance but trims down a few extras to keep the price in check. The starting price is lower than many competitors with similar specs, making it a strong option for those who want cutting-edge performance without spending a fortune. Of course, no laptop is perfect. The Helios Neo 16S AI is powerful, but it still runs hot under maximum loads, though not dangerously so. The fans can get noticeable in quiet environments. And while the battery life is better than many gaming laptops, it still can't match Ultrabooks. The design, while improved, may still feel too gamer-focused for professionals who prefer a minimal look. On the positive side, you get excellent performance, a fantastic display, strong connectivity, and AI-powered features that make it future-ready. Acer has clearly aimed this laptop at gamers who also want to use AI tools and creative software without compromise. In the end, the Acer Predator 2025 Helios Neo 16S AI laptop strikes a balance between raw power and smart features. It delivers high-end gaming performance, a gorgeous display, and useful AI enhancements, all at a price that feels fair for what you get. If you're looking for a gaming laptop that's not just about frame rates but also about future AI workloads, this one deserves serious attention. Thanks for watching Tap Tech. We bring you honest and simple reviews so you can make the best choices in tech. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more deep dives into the latest laptops and gadgets. See you in the next one.